SS Caravan travels in a nutshell. She is Ruhi. She wants to book a trip to Kashmir. So she starts browsing the internet. But there are so many portals and Ruhi is confused. She doesn't know which to trust. And where can she find the best offers? There is a solution to Ruhi's problem. SS Caravan Travels is the certified company for Kashmir Tour/trips plannings. Here Ruhi finds the best and the cheapest offers at a single glance. As SS Caravan Travels provides best hotels, houseboats and rental car services in Kashmir. She can feel safe with every decision. The special feature, DIY travel, allows her to make a customized trip by herself. Wow, that's comfortable. Ruhi is amazed. Thanks to SS Caravan Travels, the never-ending internet search for the best Kashmir tour packages is over. Visit now and find the best Kashmir tour packages. Caravantravels.in. Call now on +91 to 9,796,551,581.